All right, guys, this is the Intex Pool Hack number 1. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for cleaning the filters on these Intex pools. A lot of times, as you can see, these filters get dirty very easily. I've only had this one in there for about 2 weeks, and it's extremely dirty. Now, a lot of people just think, oh, these get dirty and I have to throw them away and buy a new one. But that's not the case, guys. I've been doing this for years. Just get out your hose, go ahead and put it on a high spray function like this, where it's spraying really fast, and you're just gonna go ahead and clean it out. Rotate your filter, spray it on there real good, make sure you get in all the different cracks, and yeah, I will time-lapse this and show you guys what I do. If you're enjoying this video, give a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I have a whole Intex pool playlist video on the channel. There we go. We're good as new. We're going to put it back in the pool. Guys, if you like this video, check out the full playlist on the channel. I'll be having a whole series called Intex Pool Tips and Tricks. And you can also check out my saltwater versus chlorine video, as well as others right here.